This is the brand new floor plan.
Yes.
So those three have been out a while.
Yes.
The C and the D are what they originally started with. Then they added the rear bath, which is great.
Yep.
These three have been out a while. But this floor plan just came out within the last 60 days, which is pretty awesome. And we have sold dozens of them since they came out.
Oh, you have? Okay.
Big
I think
hit.
people had orders in.
People had orders in. We've had them on the lot.
Now, what was the thing? Because essentially, this is a rear bath model.
Yes.
But people didn't want to get a rear bath.
Because it had a small fridge.
Small fridge.
They wanted the big fridge and they wanted the rear, big fridge, big bathroom. They wanted both. And so people weren't buying the rear bath because, I mean, they were buying it, but not as much as the other ones because they wanted the big bathroom and the convection microwave. Those are two things.
Yeah. And by the way, that's what's going on up here. If you could see this vent, that's how you could kind of tell on this.
So what's awesome about this, quite a few things actually. This is the ginseng leather with the new floors, white countertop. And remember I mentioned the black faucets and all the black fixtures? So they do the black fixtures in this ginseng color combination.
Okay, so if you get ginseng, then you can get all the fixtures out here to be black.
With this floor,
okay, and all your hardware and everything.
All your hardware is black instead of nickel or stainless. Or
I like the ginseng.
I love it.
Okay.
I love the ginseng. It's
very
so
nice.
But really the star of the show in this one is the convection microwave.
Yes, right there.
And the big fridge.
Bigger fridge.
So this is the same exact fridge that the other two models, the C and the D have. Same freezer.
And if I haven't said this already, it's like all the sinks now is square. Got a Garmin in this as well. Main fixture up here, then one in the back.
There's a lagoon mountain here. Cool. There's a table that goes there. Both of these seats swivel around to face the back. Yeah. You do have the convection microwave with the air fryer and all that good stuff there. Yeah. Then
this is cool. I'll open up. Coachmen famously has a
trash can in
garbage can right there. There you go. Yep.
So just
and then
like
here, I'll open this for you.
Just like we talked about the other one, this has the getaway that we mentioned, and it stores the same place.
Yep. Lots of storage up in
here.
And
then you have the Bluetooth speaker you can take with you. Yeah. Then you do have, you know, there again, all of the the popular windows, and then this you can sit here just like we talked about. And having that fridge there did not take away from any of this.
No. Here's the awesomeness. You still get a bathroom here in the back.
It's huge.
Come on in.
Nice big
Just
bathroom.
Show the people. Yeah, look at that.
6 foot tall. I can stand up in here. I'm a wide guy. I can fit very well.
Look at all the storage you have in this thing. I keep all kinds of
storage.
stuff. I keep my heavy stuff down there. I put towels and all that up here. Look at that. Open that.
How many towels you keep in here?
I keep extra
when
towels.
You're traveling, you probably only need one, right?
You know, I keep the toilet paper. I keep a lot of toilet paper in there. As you were saying, black fixtures.
All the black fixtures because it's in the ginseng look. The black handles everywhere. Yeah. Black here, black handles everywhere there. I like that color contrast. I think it's sharp. And then you have the separation here. Yeah. You know, I would put my golf clubs in here if it was me. Yeah. I would store my golf clubs in here and keep that shut and then just kind of find a way to strap them down.
Yeah, I think you can get like 2 bags in here probably.
Yep, and then you got storage here and here.
I use the living bejeebus out of this storage, and I have a box like similar to what's on here. I have a box in the back.
Does it have a box? Oh yeah, there's a Rover box.
So I have the same exact box. I think that there's a lot to say for the rear bath and what you get. Now, I know you see people who say they don't ever use the bathroom, right?
Correct.
Yeah, and bathroom is storage.
Some people just use it for storage,
Yeah, we've talked to people who go to trucker showers, like they have a gym.
Fitness, Planet Fitness, Crunch Fitness. Yeah. Those are the ones that are in every town. They have memberships and they go from gym to gym, they shower there, and they might go to the bathroom, but they have no problem using their bathroom as storage.